Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to upload image from gallery in our Android app. So without any further delay, let's get started. Open Android Studio and click on the new project. Select empty activity, then click on the next. Write your project name. Here we will write as pic image. Select medium opacity. Let's select 4.1 Jelly Bean. This is supported by almost all the devices. Click on finish. So guys, you can see my project is ready to be write on code. So let's first go to the XML file and design our UI part. We will remove it, simply we don't need it anymore. So just remove it. After removing this text view, we will take it our image view here. We'll give width and height as like 250 each. After this, we will constrain our view from this part. Just change the position of it. Here we will give the ID of this view. So simply go to here, define IDs. So we have successfully given our ID to our image view. Now we will create a button below the image view. Wrap content. Now we will constrain our button here. Now we will give text to the button. Like upload image. Now we'll give it ID. Let's go to the main activity or Java file. Here we define our image view first. And define our button here. Now I take a request code here. After we will import our views in our main activity Java file using find view by ID. Now we will duplicate this. Same thing we will do for button. Now we will set button on click listener here. create the instance of the intent. Here we will set it type is image. This is giving an error. Now the error has been resolved. Set action is intent dot get content, write start activity if needed, and create user intent, give it a text. Here we'll write select image. Now the error has been resolved. Now we will define one more method, which is on activity result method. You write condition if request code is equal to pick image and result code is equal to result OK. Define one more variable URI. Image URI to data dot get data. After this, we will convert this URI into the bitmap. Let's create the instance of the bitmap equal to images dot media dot get bitmap, get content resolver, comma re image URI, comma. Here this gives an error. Let me check once. Okay, we need to surround it in a prime cache. Now the error has been resolved. Now let's set this bitmap on our image view. Image dot set bitmap, and here we pass our bitmap instance. We have written our code. Now let's just run the application and check how it works. Now my application has been successfully installed. Now let's click on the upload image. Select an image. Yeah, this is perfectly visible in our app. Now let's click on upload image and select another image. Yeah, this works fine. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and write down the comment below if you have anything to ask. Thank you.